What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. Again, we have two Cybertrucks in the shop, one that we completed, one that was wrapped at another shop. This video is probably going to be private. I'm probably not going to share it. I might, I don't know. But initially, my initial thought as I record this video on this great truck that has PPF is not to blast any shop, but more to people that are, if you're talking with us about wrapping your Cybertruck, show you the difference between a wrap done by us and a wrap done somewhere else, and how, you know, things could be, why we charge a little bit more, if you will, right? Now, from a distance right here, right, both Cybertrucks look great. This one has a gray PPF. Not sure, well, I know who did it. I'm not gonna mention who did it is what I'm gonna say. Not sure on the brand of the PPF that they used. However, I know it's PPF because it feels like PPF. The customer came to us for ceramic window tint. The shop that did the installation of the color PPF doesn't do window tints, which for that I actually give them a plus, because if you don't know how to do it, you shouldn't do it. So that's one of the things we always talk about. But for example, if we go to this Cybertruck and we get real close to the edges, you don't see, there you go, you don't see the metal, right? Now if you go around in this Cybertruck, you don't see the metal either, because we have wrapped every single edge. We also, if you go on this Cybertruck, you also see the kind of OEM looking foundation decals on it. If you go on this Cybertruck, you don't see that, which, hey, that's simple, that's not a big deal, but hey, you know, that's that extra buck. Now, let's go ahead and see the edges right there are not wrapped. One, two, the edges aren't even wrapped here. So if you look at the edge right here, they're basically cut flush to the edge. Now, if you look at our edge, you see full black everywhere, because we take the time to do that extra wrapping of the edges. Now, why is that important? Why should you care? Well, anybody can pick at this. And obviously, if the insole is properly sealed, that wouldn't happen. But look, I just went like that and a little bit lifted. Now, think about, you run this through a car wash, this ain't gonna last. This is not a recommended installation. And again, I'm not putting out the name of the shop. Just for those of you that are considering quoting with us, you may find a much, much lower price on a different shop. This is the reason why. Now, longevity-wise, I can guarantee you this one is gonna last a lot longer hours than this one, because again, if you run this through a car wash, anybody picks out, I mean, the Cybertrucks are brand new. A lot of people are touchy with them. If you park somewhere, they can peel that PPF off in the edges for you, and you're gonna have a longevity issue there, 100%. On top of that, the ceramic coating on it is borderline terrible. Look at the edges right there. Nothing's wrapped around. You can tell this was done kind of like not even a commercial wrap, because we do wrap a little bit on the commercial wraps, but you can tell where they just kind of like flush cut the edges with the knife angled back. There you go, this, boom. This, I mean, it's hard to zoom in, but this right here, I'm mad at them. This could be touched up. It's normal to have some imperfections, but the edges there are crazy. Just really, really bad, if you ask me. You need to take it in? You need to take it in?
No, it's
good.
Touch up on.
All right. So we did the ceramic window tint on the whole truck, windshield. Sorry, this camera's going whatever it wants. Jesse, how are you? Man, you got to see this one.
Yeah.
So Jesse's the owner of that Cybertruck. I'm gonna cut the video at that. That's all I gotta say.